and I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten. Joel 2, verse 25. Yes, those wasted years over which we sigh shall be restored to us. God can give us such plentiful grace that we shall crowd into the remainder of our days as much of service as will be some recompense for those years of unregeneracy over which we mourn in humble penitence. The locusts of backsliding, worldliness, lukewarmness are now viewed by us as a terrible plague. Oh, that they had never come near us. The Lord in mercy has now taken them away, and we are full of zeal to serve him. Blessed be his name. We can raise such harvests of spiritual graces as shall make our former barrenness to disappear. Through rich grace, we can turn to account our bitter experience and use it to warn others. We can become the more rooted in humility, childlike dependence, and penitence spiritually by reason of our former shortcomings. If we are the more watchful, zealous, and tender, we shall gain by our lamentable losses. The wasted years, by a miracle of love, can be restored. Does it seem too great a boon? Let us believe for it and live for it, and we may yet realize it, even as Peter became all the more useful a man after his presumption was cured by his discovered weakness. Lord, aid us by your grace. If you want to join the mission of this channel, click the join button below this video, and God bless you.